All right, sorry about that, guys. Uh, the OBS quit on me midway through the setup, so I don't know what happened there. But I think we're good to go now. Let me just double check here. I think we should be good. Yeah, we should be good. Okay, so obviously it's bank holiday today for US dollar, but GJ is moving very nicely. To be honest, it's pushing. We had a potential trade to the bottom here, where price closed below right here. You can see 15-minute closure just below that level, and then we had price continue bearish. Okay, so you had 16 pips. The only reason I didn't take it was because it was still very early. It was like not even pre-London, so I was just like, probably not worth it on a bank holiday to take this. But yeah, I wasn't even gonna do a stream today, and then I was like, you know what, GJ's moving pretty nice. May as well do it. So yeah, here we are. But yeah, I don't know if we're gonna have any trades today, but I thought, you know what, let's come on, have a chat. Who cares? It'll be fun. So, plan for GJ is pretty simple. What's happening here? We can see price is pushing back into this bullish level. Okay, if we look at the daily, yeah, so obviously we're very bullish from last week. Weekly closed extremely bullish. So there's a good chance this is going to continue on. Okay, the thing is, these daily candles can push down very far before anything happens. They can push down like all the way down here, and still flip bullish. Hope the exams went well. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, glad that's done. So yeah. You guys, is there any uni students in here? Let me know if you guys go to uni, or what you studied when you did, if you did. So yeah, this is now an interesting level here on GJ because we're pushing back into this bullish range. I'm definitely gonna wait for this 15 just closed above, but I'm definitely gonna wait for a 30-minute closure. And the reason for that is because we don't really have a bullish trend. It's sort of just like, I don't want to be caught in this just being a sort of continuation down. So I want to see one more sort of range form here. So potentially we close bearish here. Potentially we close bearish here, and then we can flip and take buys back up to these levels. Okay, otherwise we'll take buys at the break of these highs. But yeah, for now I'm just going to be chilling. I don't want to sort of take impulsive trades today because of the low volume. But yeah, gold, I don't think I'm going to trade gold today simply because of US bank holiday. Maybe if there's an absolute banger of a trade, we look at it. But for now, yeah, we'll look at GJ. Maybe we can form a pushback into these areas. But yeah, because if you look at the hourly, this is what I'm scared of. I'm scared of price just coming bearish and then flipping and continuing like that. Okay, so that's why I just want to wait for one more range to form, even though the daily is bullish. Yeah, I just think it's a much safer trade. Technically, you could take sells if price creates resistance right here, but that's against the daily. So you're doing engineering at uni. Wow, that's some of my friends do engineering and they're all very smart. So good on you. Yeah, so last week was pretty crazy. GJ just freaking went nuts. How big was this move on GJ? That is ridiculous. Look at that. $750 pip week. Pretty ridiculous. Yeah. Last week I had a decent week. Let me get this. We took, let me see here. Last week. Yes, so we took two really small wins at the start of the week on gold, which were barely anything. Then we took a pretty decent loss on gold, but then Friday we had two really nice wins. So yeah, that was good. So yeah, hopefully we can continue close the month out nicely, but so far so good. It obviously would be nice to get some of these on stream, but you can see here like London has not been very active. Like pre-NY, pre-London, we had one, two London trades. The rest were three. Three London trades, one Asia, two Asia, but mostly it's been New York. So yeah, maybe it changes, maybe it doesn't, but yeah, it looks pretty decent so far. I also just posted a new simulation session on YouTube, and that was a pretty good session for gold. So if you guys want to go check that out, feel free. Caught good wins on GJ, EJ, and AJ personally. Yeah, the market moved really well last week. It was some smooth moves, lots of volatility, which was good. Okay. So what I'm looking at here for GJ, we can have buys above here at the closure. So closures above here. Can we look for sells below here? Technically, yes. 13 pips. Technically, yes, we can. Yeah, like I said, I'm not too eager to get into a trade today because of bank holiday, so we'll just see what happens. How's the week looking? Week's looking pretty chill. CPI for GBP on Wednesday, and then US dollar news later. So yeah, it should be a pretty chill week. You attend an NDS course. NDS. Is that oh Rocks? Is that, are you talking about Rocks FX? I did a yeah, I did a two candle theory course like 2 years ago, no, a year ago. But that was only for like a month. It's the only course I've bought. And that was really good. He was sort of like my first mentor, I guess. Sort of the first guy I saw when I started trading. But yeah, I used two candle theory for quite some time. And then I sort of just started implementing it into my own system. When you look at my strategy now, it's very similar. Because really, two candle theory is essentially waiting for price to break out of a level, or bounce off of a key level, and then waiting for a wick to form, a retest, and then a continuation. So realistically, it's very similar to how I trade right now. But yeah, he's a very good mentor. I think if you ever want to like pay money for a really good course, I mean, I haven't been in it for quite some time, but he just his sort of mindset and his ability to explain things is very good. So for me, or what I found at least, and I think he's a very good trader. I mean, I don't know. He doesn't. I don't think he shares his results or anything, but I'm sure he wouldn't have sort of the amount of students and amount of respect he does if he wasn't. So yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of buying courses. I find that it sort of, I don't know, it sort of makes you think that there's this one system that you can use for the rest of your life. And you can just use that and be profitable, which could be true, but I find most of the time you have to figure out your own sort of understanding of what's actually happening to find out what's going on. But yeah, yeah, Rox is awesome. Yeah, he was literally like 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago when I first started trading. He was the very first person I saw on Instagram making videos. Yeah, he's really, really respected. I personally don't give anyone the benefit of the doubt unless you have a proven track record. You're just like everyone else. Yeah, I don't know. I think if there's a person who, like for instance, Rocks FX, like all his students seem to be making money. There's people that continually like buy his things. There's people that, you know, I think that in itself is proof enough, I think. But yeah, I don't know. I guess with every course as well, it's what the student makes of it. Like the thing is, I don't think someone would sell a course if it didn't work, because obviously, I mean, maybe there's some people that do it, but I don't think people would sell a course if it didn't work. Maybe they would sell one if they weren't profitable. But that doesn't mean the course doesn't work. It just means they're not profitable. So yeah, it's also sort of just what you make of it as a student. But there are a lot of sketchy people in this industry. But it is also very hard to share your track record. That's for sure. There's a lot of people that say, "Oh, why don't people share their track records and stuff?" And it's like it's not very easy to put on public display your trading history, like, because obviously, you know, you're gonna have shitty times and people comment on it. Like people comment on if you ever have a losing streak, a bad trade, you know, people just say you're not even a good trader and shit like that. And it's just, I don't know. Like me, I'm not selling anything. I'm not trying to get everything. So I was like, why do I want to share my trading history? I did for a long time, um, like put it out in the public, but then I was like, it's just so much pressure to have it out there. Like I feel like every time I took a trade, I was like, oh, okay, now my trading history's like looking good again or looking bad again. And I was like, not worth it. Maybe if I ever sell anything, I'll definitely put it up there. But right now, I mean, I don't sell anything. I don't try to put forward anything. I'm just streaming. And I mean, streaming as well is very, like, I take losses live, which I think is even worse. But thank you. If you think I'm honest, thank you. Appreciate it. So did we just have an hourly close? Yes, we did. This is not bad, is it? We definitely need a big hourly bottom wick. How's the hourly look here? 4 hour. We're in line with the daily, but obviously not with the 4 hour. I sort of want to see another pullback form, like I mentioned. So like I'd rather see this thing pull back a bit and then break and close above again. Because this bars was above was assuming that this candle was going to close bearish, which it didn't. So we'll see. And gold's not really moving. Oh, right. The guy, yeah, I remember you. Right, so we are creating a nice bottom wick. Trying to see here. There's no. Yeah, like the fact that this 30 doesn't have a resistance that it broke out of is just a no-go. You need some sort of resistance and then a breakout. It's really because this is just a like a retest forming now, continuation down. So let's I've been waiting to do the Wordle for quite some time. Hmm. Um, Banjo. I don't know why that popped into my head. It's the most random guess ever. Um, um, I'm a bit lost here. Um, Waldo. Is that a word? I just used all letters that have already been used. What words end in O? Ridiculous. Um, I'm lost. Panko. No. I'm lost for words here. that a word? Managed close to 53 trades on 1506. Holy, it's pretty crazy. It's pretty crazy. How's the year been for me so far? Well, this is only June, and I only started recording on here once I started doing the live streams. But overall, we're up about, let me see here. It's hard to measure because I've used different accounts. One account, we are up 5.49% this year. The other one, which is my current one, and that's about 2 months worth, so we had a slow few months. The other one is up 5.46%, and that was the one I started the year with. So yeah, about 10% in total. So nothing slow, but yeah, you got to remember, like, I'm still learning and stuff. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Nothing crazy. But yeah, the main thing for me is I get better each month. Not particularly in gains, but at least in terms of sort of my understanding of the market, I get better every single month, which is realistically all I'm worried about. So yeah. But yeah, for me, it's been a slow month, but a good year, to be honest. Like last year, I was barely profitable. But this year, it's slowly starting to come together, which is good. Last year was like, I had some months where I made like 20%, some months where I made like 15%, and then some months where I lost like 10%, stuff like that. Whereas this year, it's very like 3% a month, 4% a month, 2% a month. Yeah. But it's like, I'm sure you guys have the same mindset. You don't really, you're sort of just like, it's gonna happen in like, I don't really care about the time frame right now. Like for me, I'm pretty fortunate. I'm not in a rush to make money. I'm not in a position where I have to make money or I'm gonna struggle or something. So I'm really just focusing on like really understanding how the market moves, understanding how I'm gonna trade the market, and yeah. And it's like I'm not dealing with massive amounts of money, so I'm not, yeah. But we're getting there, you know. It's good. The other thing is, I genuinely enjoy like trading. I enjoy coming in front of the charts and sitting down and figuring out what the hell's going on. Why is price doing this? Why is price doing that? You know, then the psychology of it, like I took a loss, now I'm acting like an idiot. Like why? How can I change this? I love that part of trading. Pretty crazy. I posted on Instagram on my story for the first time in like months, like 5 months or something. You just forget like how how powerful that stuff is, because I posted one story 52 minutes ago and it's got 3,000 views. Like, it makes you think maybe I should start selling some shit. But yeah, we'll see. Traded to the end of May with a gain of 25%. That's very good. That's the thing with trading. Week 2 was 14.1%. Wow, that's pretty crazy. Yeah, like, my sort of mindset right now is if I can make 3 to 5% a month consistently, and I can graduate university or get funded and then get a job and get to 100k, 200k, and I'm chilling, you know. I'm I'm chilling. So I'm not fussed about making 20, 30% a month. I'm just, you know, if I come in second place, I'm happy with that, you know. I just want my fair share of my trading. Obviously I want to be very good, but I think in trading you can't be too ambitious. You can be ambitious in terms of your long-term goals, but you have to be very, very patient with your results. Very patient. Because if you start focusing on, I only made 1% this month, I only made 2% this month, or I lost money this month, that's when you start doing dumb shit. Simply, to say it simply. All right, so this is not looking bad. If I want a 30-minute bearish closure here and then a breakout above, then I'm happy to take buys. I don't want to take buys right now. Yeah, like I said, this is simply, for me, this just looks like a retest. Price coming down and then Hello, sir. Hello. Wordle. Have we got the Wordle yet? No, we haven't. What the hell is this thing? Any suggestions? Let me know. Cap. Cap. Capo. What is this? I think this may be the first Wordle where I may have to give up because I have no clue what it is. Q. Pablo. That's all I can think of. I swear no words end in O. What words end in O? Hello. Halo. Oh, GJ shooting up. J Lo. Ridiculous. Condo. Cando. Guys, I could really use some help here. I have to cheat, honestly. Search up what words end in O. Yeah, I'm cheating. I'm sorry. Hey, cheating. Nice. Let's see. Achu. Adobo. Alamo. This is actually ridiculous. Like, what? No, 5-letter words. Let's see. Bravo. None of these even have an A as a second word. Oh, here we go. Balau, Bardo, Banco. These are all really stupid words if it's one of these. What were they? Bisso, Banco. Let's try Banco. No, it can't be Banco. Babu. No way. These all start with B, and B's not in it. Cameo. Oh, that could be it. No, no E. I may just put it because I genuinely can't think of any other words. It's ridiculous. Might have taken L here. Not gonna lie. Canto. That could be it. This is it. Kazoo, that is a joke. That is honestly a joke. What does that even mean? Hey, that is a joke. How the hell am I supposed to know what a kazoo is? Oh, well, that's pretty funny. Yeah, I'm excited for these next few weeks. Should be able to stream every day. Now that we're on uni holiday. We're just gonna charge ahead. These trading. Hopefully I can get these shirts released soon. I need to do some marketing though. And yeah. I've also got my Excel journal that I'll share. It should be pretty cool. Probably be here every day spamming your chat. Well, yeah, that's fine with me. You're one of the few, so no, I'll share the live streams to my Instagram soon. I don't know. I don't know if I'm ready for like 300 people watching me yet. Because if I post it on my Instagram, definitely get at least like 50 people probably. I don't know, we'll see. But I don't know if I want that many people watching me trade live. So we'll see. More about the community. Yeah, I guess. I don't know. I'll see. Okay, so this is a nice retest now. This is 30-minute closure. Nice. Okay, so if we now get closures above here, is there enough? We can take buys. We got at least sort of 10 pips for break even, 30, 40 pips. So looks good. Hourly will be creating a bottom wick as well, which is nice. Yeah, this looks good. I wonder if other people are streaming today. Yeah. I think GJ is fine to trade today. Like, there's not going to be much less volume because of US bank holiday. But gold, yeah, gold will definitely have a lot less. Gold gets very affected by bank holidays, especially US ones. GJ has moved well today. I'll be back in a sec, guys. technically this isn't bad to take sells, but the daily is against us. If the daily was bearish, I would be taking sells right now. But yeah. So we form support, pardon me, resistance, and you have, how much range do you have down? 17 pips. So not bad, but yeah. Since the daily is bullish, it's a very good chance this is just a bottom wick. Even though the 4 hours bearish, it's just sort of one of my rules. Can't take those setups if it's not in line with the daily. Same with fake outs, but everything else is fair game. Oh. We can have buys above here. There's no reason not to. Technically sells below there as well. Although it's not the biggest range, is it? I'd rather sells below here. But I doubt we'll get there today. We're not going to take a trade on gold. There's no volume. If GJ looks like it's not really doing anything, I may just call it, because obviously there will be less volume with bank holiday, but let's see. See how this hourly closes. Maybe a bit more. Don't I have any music up on stream? Oh, it was just turned down. Should be able to hear it now. Yeah. Sorry about that. Let me just turn the light on. Alright, so if GJ can close above here, definitely not a bad op. Got a nice support forming on the 30-minute. We'll have an hourly closure above. Looks quite good. Should at least be able to get to, or at least fill this wick. Get to here. We'll see. But yeah, if this closes, we'll need obviously a closure, and then we'll need a bottom wick, the hourly, and then a continuation. were so many opportunities last week for good trades. We have a look here, even just on the 15-minute. From Wednesday, so many trades you could have taken. Could have taken that. Breakout above, continuation. Pretty much could have taken that. Taking this. Asia session, breakout, closure above, continuation. Nice bottom wick. This. I don't remember which ones I took. I took a gold fake out, which was quite good. Am I going to remain on the same schedule while streaming? Yeah, I'll probably stick with just London. Because like I said, New York for me is like 10 p.m. Don't really want to be streaming on the internet at that time. So yeah, I'll probably still do London, but I'll do every day pretty much. Every day that I can. And yeah. Should be good. Ooh, quite good. Get a closure. 4 hour could definitely be creating a top wick and come down, but it closes above and it's a decent trade. Yeah, I may do a few New York sessions every now and then. But on average, I don't trade New York that much. I only trade New York like maybe like 2-3 times a week. I could do it a lot more now, but I don't know. I feel when I trade that late at night, my focus is a bit off and I'm a bit just over it. And like if I take a loss and it's like 11 p.m, I just, it just sucks because then you have to go to bed and yeah, it sucks a bit. But that's why I don't love trading at night. Whereas London is really nice. It's sort of afternoon, whatever happens, you just chill out for the rest of the night and then it's good. Can we look for sell on gold on 1 hour time frame? I spoke about you could potentially look on the 30-minute because you have resistance forming here. Okay, chances are when price is in downtrend and resistance forms by creating that bearish candle, there's a good chance you're gonna come back to these lows. But like I mentioned, the daily is bullish. Okay, so if the daily is bullish, there's a good chance we're gonna close bullish for today. So yeah, I wouldn't be looking at that. And on the 1 hour as well, I mean, 1 hour right now is not really for me. Just asking because my system is 100% mechanical, so I'm bored during the day. Yeah, I mean, maybe I'll do New York every now and then, but mostly just London. But yeah, I mean, it's good to not just sit here alone anymore. Even though it's only like 3 or 4 people, it's nice to just, even if it feels like I'm talking to myself, it's it's a bit more sort of enjoyable. So 40 seconds to this candle close. Doesn't look like we're getting close above. So we just close. Did we close? Yeah. So now we need this hourly to create a bottom wick and then close above. To be honest, if this 15-minute closes above and we don't have a bottom wick, I'm gonna call it a day, because yeah, then this is not happening. Simple as that. I'm not sitting through another hour on a bank holiday. But yeah, I've been feeling good recently about trading. I think if you guys ever feel like you're sort of, you know, when you feel like a bit fuzzy around your trading, you're not really sure what's going on or whatever, simulation sessions are honestly the best tool I've discovered in trading so far. Like, even a couple of weeks ago when I hadn't been using simulator as much, like, I'd be stressing about, is this level gonna run into my trade? You know, are we gonna do this? Are we gonna do that? But when you do the simulation, or at least back testing very often, it just, I don't know, like, I think it just becomes habit to look at these things, and it happens. Like, I back tested heaps before, like so much, but yeah, I think simulation really helps me. So if you guys are ever feeling, because it even builds confidence, you know, because you literally see your trade hit take profit in real time, or you see your trade go in drawdown and then flip to go bullish or into profit, or you see a trade in drawdown and then hit stop loss, and you're like, it's fine, it's just another trade. So yeah, it really does help. It's the quickest way where you get to that stage where you take a trade and you really don't even care what happens, because you know, like, overall you'll make money. Like, if we look at where is this? This is GJ for October 2022. This is just one of the things I did, like 79 pips in 1 week, 24, and then minus 27. Okay, so we made a couple of mistakes in this week, I think, on the sim, but 76 pips for the month, and you're like, my account is like 1.2% is 20 pips, so this is like 4%, and you see, like, loss, you know, here you have break even, loss, one win, and then break even, loss, and it's like, when you think about it like that, you take a loss and you're like, what? It literally doesn't matter. You know. And we have gold. We've done 1 week on gold so far, which was good. 3 wins, 1 break even. So yeah, it really, if I could give any advice, it would be jump on simulator, or at least backtest. But backtesting, like, I've backtested for years, and I don't think it quite works as well, especially for your psychology, as this simulator does. I need to start playing chess again. That's what I need to do. Don't laugh at my rating. 199. Pretty terrible. Definitely a trap. Okay. Last time I played chess on the stream, I got smacked in like 10 seconds. And now I'm check. God, that was stupid. Oh no. Maybe he goes for it. Oh, this guy's ruining me. Bro, I actually suck. What can we do here? There's not much we can do, is there? There you go, bitch. Okay. Boom. That's how you do it. Resignation. I'll take it. So I don't mind this. Nice bottom wick being created. I'll take that W. He's gonna try the checkmate on me first time. If he moves his queen to here, he's gonna try checkmate me. Maybe I'll bait him. Let's see what he does. DJ closes above here and I'm playing chess, let me know. You can take my... Ooh. Thinking ahead here. If he takes that, then let's say he takes this. Ooh, I didn't think that through, did I? Actually, that's not bad. Stream seems stuck. Yeah, I gotta. It might be my Wi-Fi or something. I'm not sure. Yeah, it says the stream's getting buffering, but I'm not sure why, to be honest. Anyway, I'm not gonna try and fix that now. Let's see if we get a closure here. Bit of volume pumping into gold. This could be off the rip here. We do have bottom wick on the hourly. It's not big. Yeah, so sorry if the stream's wigging out a bit. I'm not sure why it's happening, but yeah, I'm not going to try to fix it now. So let's see where this 15 closes. It could be off the rip here because 1 hour has a bottom wick, 30-minute has a bottom wick, 4 hour pushing bullish. It could be off the rip here. Use the current hourly low as stops. Or maybe, how big is this? Yeah. Maybe we enter at the break of that high. Let's see. Got a minute left. screen working again. Sorry about this stream, guys. I'm not sure what's happening. Maybe it's just my Wi-Fi or something. But I'm in a trade here, so pretty funny. If this 15 closes back below this level, we'll manage risk. I'm not sure if it's my Wi-Fi or what's going on. I'll be back in a sec. Let me just see. I'll just go see if this is a Wi-Fi thing or something. I think the Wi-Fi just dropped out for a second there or something. I'm not really sure, but it looks like it's okay now. So yeah, with this trade, if we get a closure back below this level, that's when we'll probably close. There's no point holding. But yeah, it's all good if this comes down and then flips. But if we get a closure below, then we have a 30-minute that hasn't closed above. So there's no point really holding that. But yeah, if this 15-minute respects this level, there's it's still a valid trade. So yeah, simply just 15-minute closure above. We already had a 1 hour bottom wick. We can see we have a nice sort of support form, then continuation. On my broker, it broke these highs, so I'm not too concerned about that. And again, like I said, you know, look at this. It's just another trade. Break even, win, loss, just another trade. In terms of TP, obviously we'll go break even right here. And yeah, TP will be around here and here. I smashed that guy so high in chest it messed up my stream. Oh yeah, I don't really think I messed him up, but so yeah, if this 15 closes above, even if it's bearish, that's fine, because then we still have a 30-minute closure above anyway. Okay, so it's only if this 15 closes below, which will mean that the 30-minute has respected this level, that's when we'll manage risk. But right now, this is all good. See, we're in line with daily. The only thing not matching up here is the 4 hour, because the previous 4 hour closed bearish, but yeah, no top wick on the 4 hour here. So there's a good chance you're going to come back and retest those zones, but you know, we just follow the plan. Seems alright to me. Yeah, it was for like 3 or 4 minutes. Maybe it's when I was entering the trade, my MT4 messed up the Wi-Fi. MT5, pardon me, I don't know. Yeah, so although this is a very short break even, it's only 5 pips, there's no reason for me to expect price to continue more than here. Okay, because we have a strong resistance right here. If price pushes to here, there's no reason for me to expect price to continue. Okay, there's a very good chance we're going to reject these levels. So that's why my break even is there. The only way we'd probably go break even before that is if this 30 closes with no top wick. Because that would mean there's a good chance we're going to retrace. We'd probably just close at that point. Get like 2 pips. Definitely a bit more volume in the market right now. GJ at least. Pretty perfect close. Because realistically, if we went break even before this 30-minute close, there's a good chance you're going to get stopped out at break even. But now we have chance for this 30-minute to wick down and then continue bullish. Unless it just shoots up. But it'd be nice if this thing can wick down now, create a bottom wick, and then continue bullish. But we have nice structure here. But yeah, there's no point to go break even right now. There's no reason price shouldn't fill this range. If it doesn't, it doesn't, so be it. But as of now, okay, there we go. There's break even. Yeah, so stops are at break even. In terms of where we're gonna TP probably around here. 80%. How many pips is that? 12 pips. It's Monday, bank holiday. I'm gonna close 80% right here. We don't have a bottom wick on this 30, so if we break this high one more time, I'm going to close 80%. And let the rest run. So we're at break even here. Okay, I'm going to close 80%. Alright, so 80% closed at... How many did we get? 10 pips? 12 pips. Nice, so 80% at 12 pips. TP, we'll let the rest run to maybe around here. But yeah, nice trade. Bank holiday my ass. See, I've got my full TP set at 181.7. Pardon me, 181.95. But you got to think here, 30-minute hasn't created a bottom wick. But yeah. We got our share of the market. 12 pips. $207. I'll take that any day of the week. But, you know, it's just another trade. But that is our first win on stream. So that's nice. That's very nice to see. We can change this to 1. W. Nice. So if this hits TP, I'm done. Done for the day. How many pips is that? 20. All right. All right, I'm just going to close right here. 25 pips. Easy peasy. So we got, yeah, nice. Yeah, it's nice to get a win on stream, not gonna lie. Feels good. Congrats on first win on stream. Yeah, feels good. Feels good. But, you know, it's just another trade. It's just not gonna be my last win. Not gonna be my last loss. It's just another trade. But now June is shaping up to be a very nice month so far. This was gold, wasn't it? Oh no, GJ. Taken at 3:15 EST. Stops were 20, I do believe. 19. Close partials at I hate it how MT5 doesn't show you pips. Stupid. $11.5. This was at, how many was this? $25. It's not a massive win, but for a bank holiday, I'll take that any day. It's 14.2 pips all up. 3 wins in a row. Let me just get this onto the on stream trades. On stream, we're still down overall. I believe down pretty bad actually. What? Sorry, this is just my OCD. I need to get this in. Otherwise, I just don't do it. Yeah. So that was a nice trade. Yeah, like I said, it's just another trade. You know, if this goes, it goes. I really couldn't care less. Yeah, very simple trade. We're waiting for that little gap all day. Pretty lucky here, to be honest, that this 30 just went straight up. Because 9 times out of 10, if we had break even here, because we had this level here, we had to go break even right there. So yeah, 9 times out of 10, this 30 is going to come down, create a bottom wick before continuing bullish, but yeah, so be it. But that was a nice trade. But yeah, I think, unless we close above here, how does this look? I think I may call it for a day there. Because GJ's reaching all-time highs, I think. Yeah, I think I may just call it there, guys. Very nice trade. Make sure to like, subscribe. Could have made some free money today. Yeah, I'm just wondering if maybe I should have closed half and half again, because we are very bullish, but it's a Monday. Yeah, just playing devil's advocate here. Wouldn't that resistance be classed as a fake out of the zone? 181820. Where are we at? 181. DJ setting up another long for me. Yeah, good work. I think if GJ can close above here, there's a good chance you're going to continue, especially because we're so bullish on the daily, and we created such a big bottom wick. But yeah, we'll see. Yeah, I think I'm going to call it there. Gold's doing nothing. Yeah, I'll see you guys. See you tomorrow. Good session. Thanks for joining.